Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here, and today we're back for another video on Scratch. And today we'll be making another face sensing game called Free Throw Basketball, and I'll be wearing the same demon mask. So if you do not enjoy demon masks, please do not watch the video while I do it. I don't know why, but okay. So anyways, I'm gonna show you the demo. So I'm not gonna start it yet because my face. Oh, give me the mask. I got the face mask on. Not the face mask, the demon mask. So hello, I'm in my demon mask form, and as you can see, there's a basketball and a basketball hoop, and you try to get the basketball to touch the hoop, and it'll count in. So you can use your hands and everything to swing the basketball and make it move. And I can also use my head. I got my demon mask. I can use my head to move everywhere and move the basketball. I can also use my hands. As you can see, I got it in. You can do anything you want. You can go crazy and start flicking the basketball. It's your choice, and you can make it in. So you can do that. And so I hope they'll make it in. Oh, so yeah. So this is basically the game. It's like face sensing. So yeah. So anyways, okay. So I'm gonna click S to stop, so you don't, because this mask is suffocating me. So. Okay, so we're back like this, and I just took off my demon mask, and we are going to start coding. So we're back, and I'm gonna turn on the face sensing. So yeah, the face sensing. I'm trying to put on my mask, but don't turn it on yet. So if you click on it, it will just show your face. And then I put on my mask right now, and it's all disproportioned and everything. So I'm just gonna turn it on now. Click. So it's gonna turn on. I don't want that to happen. No, let's see. Look, you see my face? No, you don't. But now we have to turn video on. Instead, turn it off. You don't have to do this because I don't want a face reveal, so I'm just gonna turn it off. So then you don't have to see my face, and I don't have to suffocate in this mask. So the first thing we're gonna do is drawing the basketball hoop. We don't need this at all. Oh yeah, we have nothing in our backpack today. So we have a basketball. If you do not know how to draw a basketball hoop, we draw it on our own. And if you don't know how to draw, you can just go down my project and export it. And we also need, we're gonna draw a basketball hoop. Paint. First, you start the rectangle. The outline is 4, and it's black, and the inside is a dark grayish, blackish color with a 4 or 5 if you want to. And we're gonna start out with a nice rectangle, a nice long pole, because every basketball hoop has a pole, and you have to have the rectangle on the bottom, and we're gonna proportion that. So now it's all even. And then now you gotta make the board. You know, all basketball hoops have a board. So the thickness has to be 15 at this point, I'm pretty sure. And it has to be a light gray color because all boards are light gray or sometimes white. And now it's 10, yeah. And we have this, and then we're gonna make the whole entire rectangle. So yeah, and we're gonna put that on top. And we're gonna do the smaller rectangle inside, which is just another rectangle, but just slightly smaller, because they always have that. I don't know why they waste paint just to do a smaller rectangle. It doesn't matter, but and then we have a red rectangle. It's to help you balance the ball, so we just make a red rectangle with no fill. So no fill. So the fill is going to be the same color as the scoreboard. No, I mean the board, and then the outline is red. And that would be 15. So yeah. We're gonna make that 15, and there we go. We got a scoreboard, and not scoreboard, but the thing that helps you balance the goal over there. And now we gotta make the goal itself, the hoop. So we first start out with a dark brown color, almost a maroon, darkish color, not black, a little bit lighter-ish. So a brownish color, and we got more of a burgundy color, and there we go, burgundy, same thing. So we got 15 thickness, and we put a straight line, hold shift, remember, and drag it across, and there you got the top of the hoop. And now you got to make the net itself, which is a brown color. So just have to drag it down there, and we have to make the net. So hold shift, no hold shift, because you have to make a line like that, because the hoop is not just like just put like not straight, it's more of sideways. So you want to do Control C, Control V, and then we can flip horizontal, so that will be on the other side, and we can just move it up. And we're going to put a third line in the middle, of course, because that's how the hoop is. So shift this time because it's straight. And we're going to put 2 lines on the sides. So remember, hold shift for these 2. And hold shift for the other. This might be worse than my last goal because of the bottom. And all we have to do is just group these together. Drag them on the wooden thing. Not the wooden thing, but the thing that holds the net, and we can make that thing go in front, and we group that again, and we place it on the thing. So there we go, a basketball hoop. So if you do not know how to draw this still, just export it, and we can just make this a little thinner, just thinner, but you know, we still have it in our backpack, so we just have to drag. I think it's this one. So I don't think we have it in our backpack, so I'm gonna put this like that, a little skinnier, but not too fat like the last one. A little down, and maybe a little more down. So there we go. All we have to do is just do Control C and make the scoreboard sprite, which is Paint Control V, and there we go, a scoreboard sprite. And we got to make it on top of the net, but not really on top of the net. So it's actually on the bottom of the net, behind the net, but actually in front of the hoop. So I mean the thing where you shoot the thing in the goal. And we gotta put that on top, and then we have to make it go to back layer. Gotta make it go to back layer. So I'm gonna just change the backdrop. That's all we need. Oh yeah, I'm gonna click this real quick. Wait a second. So then it'll go to the back layer. And then we have to make the blue backdrop, which is just a blue color, regular. Look at this color. And then we make a it doesn't matter about the red thing. You won't be able to see it anyways, but like still. Yeah. And we got it, and so now we're gonna code the basketball. We don't have much code, so that's the good part. because we can make a fun face sensing game without much code. And then now we need to, when the green flag is clicked, it will go show. It will switch costume, switch backdrop. Oh, it's already that same backdrop. It will go to a position, and I'm gonna move it up here, around here. And it will point in direction 180. So it will be pointing down. And we're gonna have set score to 0. New variable. Set score to 0. And turn video on. But we're not gonna turn it on until the end. We're wear the demon mask and everything. And it'll set video transparency to 20, so it'll be not that faint, because 50 is very faint. And yeah, so we need to see. And then wait 2 seconds. I hope I don't click on the green flag on this thing, or else it'll turn on everything. And wait 2 seconds, and it'll go forever. Move 10 seconds, and if on the edge, it will bounce 10 steps. So this is a very dangerous code block, and dangerous. And now we're gonna work on another piece of code we have. So when the green flag is clicked, it will go forever. You need to make a score called high score. I'll do it in a second. So I'm gonna make that in a second. Right here, variables, we have high score, cloud variable. So we have that, and we have if then the score is greater than the high score, then it will set high score to score. That means if you get a higher score than the world score, or whoever plays this game score, that means it will set the score to that score. And then now, if then not inside the if then, but inside the forever, if then is touching sprite 2, which is now target square. Now target square. Then it will start sound drum bass 2. Yeah. And then we need to change the score by 1. And hide. And it will wait 0.5 seconds. And it will show. And then after that, it will go to a position, which is just the same thing as this position, and point in direction 180. So where's that block? And then we're going to have when the video motion is greater than 10, it'll start to sound boing, and it will send it flying. Okay, so I'm going to use the boing and B-O-I-N-G. Boing. This one. So boink, start sound boink, and then point in direction. Where is that block? Point in direction. There you are. Video direction. Video motion on sprite. Video direction on sprite. And when the S key is pressed, it will stop everything. Because if you just click the stop key, if you just click the regular stop, like the stop sign, it will just keep on going. The basketball, the video will keep on going in the basketball and everything, but we just need to do this. So then turn the video off, and it will stop all. And now I'm gonna get my demon face mask, so wait a second. So I got my face mask back, and now I'm going to save now, and I'm going to move the high score to that side. And now we're going to play it. Okay, so I'm going to full screen this, and let's start. So I got my mask back. So, okay, my camera's on. So I got the hoop, and you can knock it all around with my face. You can go like and knock it across, or you can go like and pat it away. Yeah, let's go. Demon roar. Let's go. Knock it all over. So I didn't make it in yet. Wow. Let's just go. Oh, got it. So you basically get the point. I'm suffocating this mask. So, anyways, I'm gonna click S to stop this real quick. And now I can take off my mask. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. And like basically anything you want to comment. Like any new projects you could ask for, and we can make it. So anyways, see you guys next. Oh, I forgot to rename the project. Well, let me do this. I just saw that. What is this supposed to be called? Free throw basketball, right? Yeah, I think it's called free throw basketball. And yeah, we have it. So anyways, see you guys next time.